Why hello, this is HAGER'S Hangout and we are going to do the very last classic menu. It is classic chicken piccata with angel hair pasta and lemon caper sauce. That's what it should look like. Chicken, flour, lemon, tomatoes, angel hair pasta. We are going to have chicken broth, capers, whatever that is. I believe there's butter, and the fake onion again. They call it shallot. Now I'm just gonna zest. So I'm scraping, then rotating. You zest before you squeeze the lemon. Alright, that's one zested lemon. A handy dandy squeezer. Ring it. Upside down again. Ring it. Squeezing lemons have never been so easy. Okay. I'm waiting for the water to boil. But in the meantime, I'm going to take my everything is fine cup and cut my tomatoes in quarters. Alrighty, so there's all my quartered tomatoes. The water's boiling. I'm going to go ahead and throw my spaghetti in there. I'm going to mince to bits. Alright, try and mince the bits. Throw that in here. Prepare the chicken. Covering it up with flour. And apparently this is called dredging the chicken, whatever the heck that means. Transferring, I'm going to keep 1 cup of spaghetti juice. It looks like it's got chicken pox. Alright, this one's good to go. Now that the shallots look done, we are going to go ahead and throw the pasta water in there. Throw a bit of yeast in there, or zest. throw in the chicken broth, throwing in the butter, stirring it all up. Pouring in about half the sauce. Now that it's nice and stirred, I'm gonna put in the rest of the sauce. And now, I'm just going to simply plate the food. Hey Mildred, food's about ready. Okay.
Smells good.
And that's the other plate. Boom. Final looks like, let's go ahead and give it a try and see if it is something that is good or not so good. Let's give it a try. The pasta with the tomatoes is pretty good. That's worth doing. Let's see about this meat. This meat, on the other hand, I don't know. I've got the remaining zest. But yeah, the meat is fine. This is the remaining zest that you can add whole nut.
Whole nut, yeah.
Alright. Once again, I got this chocolate coming home from business vacation. Well, not business vacation. Well, traveling. I'm just traveling willy-nilly. I did not get any nuts in my square. How is it?
It's not a wow. It's just there. It's like normal chocolate with a nut in there. So
okay. Well, I did not get any nuts in my square.
Try another one.
Let's try.
Yeah, you have to.
One. Heck a lot better than the Turkish.
Much better.
I think it's similar tasting to a milk chocolate Hershey bar. It's fine. It's a great treat,
okay.
But for the price, I can get a lot more for the price of a Hershey bar than Cadbury. And that's just my opinion.
Yeah, like I said earlier, it's not really a wow. I can do without anyways.
No.
It doesn't even get into my top 10 chocolates.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
Does it for you? It's
I don't eat a lot of chocolate,
really,
so
it's not a wow. It's not really something I'll be eager to buy.
okay. That's fair.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's move on to the next video.